to view PDF without downloading in Chrome. So if you want to view the PDF without downloading in Chrome, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome, now you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and you can go with settings. Under settings, you can go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, go with site settings. Under site settings, you will have an option PDF documents, or you will also have an option of automatic downloads. So you just need to simply go with the automatic downloads, and you need to turn off the option of downloads. Once you've turned off the automatic download, then it will not download the PDF file automatically. You will only have the view section. Or if you have the PDF documents option right here, you just need to simply find the PDF documents. Under PDF documents, you can just simply go with Open PDF in Chrome and not the Download PDF section. Once you've selected the second option, it won't download your PDF. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.